Honey, I'm off. I'm taking the car. Where are they? Not again. This is super annoying, and there gotta be a solution for that.
5 minutes later.
So I basically purchased 3 things. The AirTag by themselves, this is a package of 4. Then I bought some accessories that will allow me to strap these AirTags to different things. Yeah, among that my keys. And finally, I bought these boxes basically with a screw lid, yeah, that you can open and you can store the AirTag on the inside. They are provided with 3M adhesive on the back, which will allow me to sort of put these boxes onto different things. One of the reasons why I bought these was that I thought I can use these Apple AirTags to track my vintage Corvette and mount one of these somewhere in the car. If you would like to see a separate video about that, let me know in the comments. Let's take a closer look at the actual AirTags.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
So this is how the AirTags looks like. And they're actually a lot smaller than I would have thought. Just open it. Take off this protective film. I think you activate it by pulling out this one. Woo, yeah. You are supposed to get around 1 year of battery out of one of these. So if you're not planning to use them right away, then simply let the protective film sit, because then the battery will not be activated. So I basically have, for different purposes, I have 3 of these silicone covers. 3 of these silicone covers.
Okay.
Where I can put in one of these simply by sliding it in like that. So it's nicely well protected. I might as well put in this ring so I can attach it to something. So there are different items here that will allow me to attach it for different purposes. So if the intro didn't make it clear, the purpose of this AirTag is to be able to locate lost items. You saw that I bought mine through the German Amazon web shop, but you can actually buy it through the Apple web shop, where you have to pay $29 for a single AirTag, and you can buy a 4-pack for $99, which was around the same that I had to hone up for the ones that I bought on the Amazon store. The advantage of buying it directly through Apple is that you can get custom engraving in these, so you can get a mix of emojis, initial and numbers to make the AirTags unmistakably yours. And that is only an option if you buy it through the Apple Store. All right, let's see if we can make this work. So I simply put the AirTag in close proximity to the phone, and then I can sort of say what it is. And backpack, handheld, jacket, it's keys. So I press continue and use this phone. And this is me. Agree. And now it's connecting. So now those are associated to my keys. And then you say, okay, you put the other ones in here. But I have 2 sets of keys. Let's see if I can do this one as well.
1 eternity later.
So now these 2 are hooked up. So one of them I can put on my car keys here. And the other one goes to another set of keys. So what I can do now is I can go under Find. And here you can see all the items that I have that is hooked up to find my iOS device. If I press down here in the bottom, I can see that I have 2 keys with me. And unfortunately, they're both called keys, which makes it a little bit unfortunate when you have to locate them. But luckily, we can rename them. So I simply go in here under Henrik's keys, pick one of them, make it play a sound. And this is the one that's playing a sound now. So I can simply rename it for Nissan Car Keys. Like this. And then like that. So they will nicely show up as Nissan Car Keys, so I can easily identify them. So if you just take a look at the Apple website, you can see that the AirTag is designed so you can very easily find out where they are located. AirTags is a super easy way to keep track of your stuff. Attach one to your keys, put another one in your backpack, and just like that, you're on the radar in Find My app, where you can also track down your Apple devices and keep your friends and family. Let's see if it works. I'll just go out and hide it. And then all of a sudden, memory lost, and I can't remember where I put them. And one of the really smart things, according to what I've read, is that these are actually using other iPhones that are in close proximity to report the position. So if it's out somewhere and about, you will be able to figure out where they are located. Let's go under Find. We want to find the Nissan car keys. So, searching for signal. So now we're getting something here. I'm moving around, different location here. So let's just open the door. See what's going on. Fire. So I'm walking around here. Where are you? Where are you, keys? They are there. Come on, Apple. The first one was actually failing on me. I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe the battery is sort of broken or something. I need to figure that one out. But let's see if we can locate one that is actually working. So I'm pressing here. Correct. So it's saying that it's here somewhere in the house. I can make it play a sound. So I can hear that it's here. And I can enable the finder here. It says that I need to move for a different location. So it's searching for the signal. It's working on it. Walking a little bit around here. So now we're getting this ring, and now we're getting an arrow. Not an error, but an arrow that will point us in the right direction. So, see? It wants me to go here. It's telling me that I'm getting closer, 1.2 meters. That's fairly accurate. So, there are the keys. So when it works, it actually works. But it's a bit annoying that one of them were not working like it's supposed to. So as you can see, when I pair this one that is supposed to go in the car, I can actually scroll down, apart from the pre-selected ones, I can scroll down to the bottom where I can have the possibility to add a custom name. I can even add an emoji that makes it easier to spot what it is that I'm looking for at the map. And the AirTag that caused me problems, I simply removed it and added it again, and now it seems to work out fine. And no, I'm not associated with Apple. This is just a coincidence. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you.